case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court case of Canada Malting Company vs. Paterson Steamships, Limited in 1932, put a spotlight on a contested legal principle. A U.S. court has the discretion to refuse a case involving foreign parties, even if the incident occurred within U.S. territories, if justice can be robustly served by the party's home court. The crux of the legal dispute was a mid-lake collision in U.S. waters, specifically Lake Superior. Collision victims, 2 Canadian vessels, the Yorkton and the Mantadoc. When the Yorkton purportedly went down, its cargo owners suffered considerable losses and opted to sue the Mantadoc owners for damages. Instead of pursuing their legal cause in the Canadian courts, the cargo owners strategically chose to involve the U.S. judiciary, aiming to capitalize on U.S. laws that permit innocent cargo owners to recover full damages from the non-carrying vessel. Surprisingly, the district court accepted a motion to dismiss the case, a decision later upheld by the Circuit Court of Appeals. This unusual dismissal prompted the Supreme Court to revisit the case's details, intending to precisely determine if the district court held jurisdiction over this peculiar matinee of maritime law. The Supreme Court unequivocally held that the district court was within its right to decline jurisdiction over a case encompassing a collision between 2 Canadian vessels in U.S. waters. This controversial decision by the Supreme Court, favoring the original dismissal, hinged heavily on the integral involvement of foreign parties in the dispute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.